take a look at something that maybe that you could use to carry that pie in.
Oh, well, that's exciting.
How's that sound?
Yes.
Does that sound okay?
Yes,
All right.
let's do it.
We are going to make a pie carrier, and it's the simplest thing you ever can imagine, okay? We're just going to use a tote, okay?
Oh,
so
okay.
I just pulled out one of Kimberbell's gray totes that they have, and I'm going to make a pie carrier. But first I got to decorate it a little bit.
Well, yes.
You
You can't just
yeah.
take it by it like
No,
that.
no,
That's not cute.
No, you got to have a little bit of decoration to it. So we have this amazing friend here at Girlfriends that designed us a pie.
Yes, and it's so cute, and that's our own Debbie that did that for us.
Yes, she did.
So.
She digitized this for us, so we have this as a digital download for you to have, and so she did that for me, and so I put that on my pie carrier. Okay, so how on earth am I going to get my lattice to look like that?
Well,
It's a little squiggly.
but
right?
it's, yeah.
And I'm not going to do this with my rotary cutter, so we have a pinking rotary blade that we're going to use to cut our lattice. So let's just kind of take a look at that.
Show how
really.
that works.
Yeah, it's kind of fun.
That just really adds a cute. I mean, I don't personally do lattice on the top of mine because it takes a lot of time.
It takes time,
doesn't it?
You're right. It takes time.
But yeah, but it's darling. It would be so cute.
So we're just going to cut some lattice for our pie. We've got this pinking rotary blade, and I'm going to start. I got to do the very end of it here, so that both sides.
Yeah,
okay.
sure.
So we're going to start there, and that's all it is. It's just like that.
That is so cool. And isn't that darling?
awesome?
Isn't that such a fun edging?
Yeah.
For that, it just makes it almost look like it's real.
And these are a 1/2 inch wide is all they are. So I'm going to just cut a couple of them here.
And you're just using the edge of your ruler, just like you normally would.
Just like you normally would.
It's just making that fun edge.
Yep. I learned that with this, you have to put a little bit more pressure on it than you would a regular rotary blade. And this one is
especially with felt. Don't you think you're going through a little heavier fabric too?
Yep, I agree on that one. So you just kind of have to do a little bit more pressure on your rotary cutter to make sure
that's really fun.
Yeah, so that's how you're going to cut your lattice for your pie. And I thought that was really fun.
Oh, that is really, it just adds, it just makes
it. It gives it a little bit of a character, let's put it that way.
Yes.
So yeah. So again, and it's just a simple, a little digital download that Debbie designed for us, and it's just awesome.
So it's just an applique.
It is. It's an applique.
So you just follow the steps.
Now, I did this just on a piece of
stabilizer
here, just a heavy cutaway stabilizer, just so I could test out the design. But then when I put it on here, I just used sticky back wash away.
Okay.
And I stitched it on there on my pie carrier.
We do love that sticky back. Yeah, that.
And here, let me show that again so it's just a sticky
so
back
when you
wash away.
It, this will
come
go
out.
away.
Yep,
so
it will.
See it.
It will. And I just used a Kimberbell tote. Now let me show you. I stitched that out.
So if you don't, you can actually make one, right? Or any purchased one. So any size, it doesn't matter.
No, does not matter. Okay. So here's my tote right here, and I kind of went at it, and I'm like, okay, this is how I'm gonna make my pie carrier. So I've got this much room that I have to put my design on it.
Okay.
And you can put it on both sides.
Sure.
You definitely could. I just put it on one side. But so I found my center. So here's my center of my pie carrier this way. And I measured about 2 inches down.
Okay.
And I marked it. And then I did my crosshairs on my embroidery machine. And then I lined it up.
Oh,
and I just used the sticky back wash away stabilizer. And then I stitched it out on here.
Oh.
Then when it was all done, is how I'll show you how I did my pie, how I did the pie carrier.
Oh, that will be fun.
I will. So basically, again,
are we doing a 1/4 inch seam?
That works perfect.
Okay, perfect.
Once again, you're just going to find the center of your tote, okay? And because this was folded in half, it's already there.
Right.
So it's already marked. So simple, Jackie. So simple.
Okay, good. I love simple.
Yeah. We're going to fold up the one side And again, now I'm going to put right sides together, and I'm going to fold up the one side, and right at the edge there's going to meet at the bottom of that bottom mark, right like that, okay? And then I'm going to fold up this side, and it's going to match the same one, just right like that, okay?
Cool, okay.
So let's get a few pins out of here.
I just think everything is cool.
Well,
that seems to be my word for the day.
It's okay.
That's cool. Well, that's cool. Maybe I'm thinking about whipped cream.
Yeah, that's
cool,
it. That's
right.
It. Yeah.
I think that's what it is.
It's got to be. It's cool outside too.
Yes, that's true.
Okay, so then I'm just going to put some pins in this to hold that in place. All right.
Well, so far it's very easy. Yeah. I think everyone understands what we're doing.
I hope so. I think it's pretty simple. Okay, and we're just we do the same thing on this side.
Okay, and your edges are finished, which is wonderful.
That's the whole beauty about these totes. That makes it so nice is because everything's already finished, and all you have to do is sew up the side seams, and you're done.
Okay, I'm already liking this a lot.
So I'm going to hand this to you.
Okay.
And all we do is a 1/4 inch seam down both sides.
On both sides.
That's correct.
Okay. Here we go.
I'd probably backstitch at the very first.
Okay. Oh, look how fun this is. That was like really easy. Okay. Are we done?
That's it.
That's it?
That's what I said. Jacki, that's it.
Okay, I that you saw it right here. How you make 2 seams and that's it.
2 seams. That's why I said, how hard can it get?
Okay, well.
And then you're going to turn it right side out, obviously. You know, you're just going to take this and turn it right side out.
What if could you box the corners?
You could. That would give it a little bit more.
Then it'd be more boxy. So then it might carry. You could put a bottom in.
You could take a piece of cardboard or a piece of Peltex to put in the bottom of it to make it so that it's a little bit stiff on the bottom. That would make it easy to carry also.
Well, I don't know if you can get any easier.
That's about
than
it.
That.
But yeah, if you had a piece of acrylic of any kind that you could put in the bottom of it, that would definitely give it some strength in the bottom. But that's it. That is your pie carrier right there.